This is an explanation of what the pins are and do. This is one way to hook it up to the Arduino. This is the way I hooked it up to the Arduino without the resistors though. This is the code that we're going to use. You put the INT with all the pin numbers here, then you put everything to output in the setup. Now, down here you see I've got everything set to high, and over here we've got everything set to low. So we're going to set this to low. That's going to turn on digital, the first digit. We're going to make a 0, so we're going to turn on the pins that will make a 0, which is every pin except for the G, which is the line that goes across in the center. That would make an 8, but we want a 0. I'm going to upload it. There you go, the first digit. But let's say we wanted to do the second digit. So we're going to turn off D1 and we're going to turn on D2. Now, this may be the opposite way on yours, so just do high and low, whichever one works. And there's pin 2. Now, just to play around, we're going to change some of the little segments on the second digit. We're just going to leave it on the second digit, just so you can get an idea of, what it looks like when you play around with it. Yay! So now you can write your own code for this and stuff like that. I'll leave the link to a couple of tutorials that I used so that I could code this little monster piece. It's not perfect, but it's cool. Please head to EPO for all of your electronic needs. Please support brick and mortar. Thank you for watching.